Needed a she shed and a he shed. So because I said get out of my house.
Hey friends, and welcome back to the channel. Now today's video is going to be an update of the tiny houses. Another update. We have a little bit more progress to share, and I always get tickled when I share that intro with y'all of Shonda giving the reason why she had these two tiny houses brought to her land. And any of you that have young folks living in your house, 18, 21, maybe you'll understand why.
And what I was going to tell y'all too is when we upload these videos from here on out about the tiny houses, the first one was an update. So this video will be update number 2. This will be update number 2, and then consecutive order from there. That way you all can keep up with, you know, which update you haven't seen. So this will be update number 2. Of course, the next will be 3, 4, and so on.
Now this is the before of my nieces, and I want y'all to notice that she had a door. It has been since removed, and you will see her new bathroom in just a moment.
All right, and as I come in, and Shonda is right here with me, holding the light, I can tell that they are almost ready for paint.
Yes, the walls have been seamed and mudded, so the next thing is paint.
Okay, so they are totally, all of the walls are seamed and mudded. And this area here, now this is what Shonda was talking about. And y'all, I think this is the insulation for my nephews. They're just storing it in here, right?
Well, yeah, he bought so much insulation, it will be used for the other house.
So in our last video, Shonda was saying she really wasn't sure what was going on with this area. Now she and I thought that this little bay area window here, it would have been perfect for the small kitchen. But the actual plumbing for it, for the sink, has been placed right here. So there's the plumbing. So
we have given them the measurements though to actually change the placement of the sink from that area back over to the small area over here.
yeah, we just feel like this would be the
Best
perfect
kitchen.
area. Yeah, because you know it is a tiny house. You have this little alcove here. It's just best to put the kitchen here, and in her kitchen she will have a small refrigerator.
Right.
Not the
standard size, not the college dorm size, but the next size up, which is about 5 feet.
Yeah, like a
A 5 feet refrigerator, and then the countertops, of course, and sink, microwave. She wants a toaster, you know, all of those things. So,
and then so that would mean that she would have all of this for her actual living space, and you can definitely work with this. And as I'm looking around, another thing that I see different from the other day is we have some design elements here. Now this is beautiful. It is the penny tile, and it is in white, and this is going to be very pretty. This will be on the shower floor, and I see that she also picked out a tile. This is actually for the bathroom floor, and it is gray and white. It's beautiful. And like I said, it will be on the bathroom floor. And is this also like the wall for the bathroom?
No.
Okay.
all
right.
It's just going to be on the bathroom floor, and the walls, she's already picked her paint color out.
Okay, she's
So
gonna
there
paint
she
the wall.
doesn't want tile all over every, you know.
What about around the shower?
You'll see it.
Okay, all right. Well, let's head on in there so y'all can see what has been done since we were here 2 days ago.
And that piece of cardboard is just there because when they did it yesterday, they needed something that was kind of heavy to keep all the tiles in place, and it'll be grouted tomorrow. But all the tiles are done. You can actually step in there.
Okay. So the bathroom floor is done, y'all. I am so excited. It's almost as if I'm getting ready to move in here. I'm telling you, I definitely would. I could do the tiny house living.
I could do it too.
Yeah. When I just think about all of the savings, like your monthly expenses and all, I could definitely do the tiny house living. And so then, here is her shower.
See how pretty that tile is looking?
Oh, that is gorgeous. She chose a beautiful.
Actually, her bathroom is kind of big.
Yeah, it's kind of spacious, y'all. And this is a beautiful tile she chose for the shower walls. Oh, I love that. And look, she has a little built-in alcove
For her soap and
shampoos, body wash, whatever. Oh man, I'm loving this. And it is ready for grout also, as you can see. So we got some progress. It is definitely looking like a home in here. And like Shonda was saying, this is gonna be a nice sized bathroom.
And she chose to make her bathroom a little bit wider than she actually, could have gone with a tiny bathroom. But she spends, as a young lady, she spends a lot of time in the bathroom in the mirror with her hair and makeup and girl stuff. And she takes 30-minute showers.
Wow.
So this is best for her.
Okay, so we wanted to give y'all the layout.
This, of course, you see the shower.
Here's a shower.
Right beside it, that's going to be where the toilet will be.
Right there. And then we come on over here.
That will be where her bathroom sink will be. And then she still has a lot of room over here. So it could end up that maybe there's a small closet there. Or if she just wants to shower, the bathroom to be, open.
Yeah. So it's a pretty decent sized bathroom. I am so excited and I can't wait to see it. Thank you for spending this time with us. Today is actually Sunday, August the 22nd. And Shonda and I, we're about to go out with the hubbies and we're going to have us a bite to eat here this Sunday evening. We appreciate you all spending the time with us. We so appreciate everyone coming along on this journey with us. We are always so glad to hear from all of y'all, and we just thank you so much. And as always, friends, we want you to
Make the life that you live a life that you love.
Life is short.